Hello, in this video we will be solving the inequality 5e plus 4 is less than or equal to 19. We will go through the step-by-step process to find the solution in both inequality and interval notation forms. Let's get started. We start with the inequality 5e plus 4 is less than or equal to 19. Our goal is to solve for e. The first step is to isolate the term containing the variable. In this case, we need to isolate 5e. To do this, we can subtract 4 from both sides of the inequality. This operation keeps the inequality balanced since we are performing the same action on both sides. So we subtract 4 from 5e plus 4, which leaves us with 5e on the left side. On the right side, we subtract 4 from 19, which gives us 15. This alters the inequality from 5e plus 4 is less than or equal to 19 to 5e is less than or equal to 15. This means our new inequality is 5e is less than or equal to 15. The subtraction step helps us reduce the inequality to a simpler form, focusing on solving for e alone in the next steps. Next, we need to isolate e. To do this, we will divide both sides by 5. Dividing each side of an inequality by the same positive number does not change the direction of the inequality. On the left side, 5e divided by 5 leaves us with e. On the right side, 15 divided by 5 gives us 3. This simplifies our inequality to e less than or equal to 3. So e is less than or equal to 3. For the interval notation, the solution can be written as follows. From negative infinity to 3, including 3. In interval notation, this is written as negative infinity comma 3 with a square bracket at 3 to indicate that 3 is included in the solution. Thus, the solution in inequality form is e less than or equal to 3. The solution in interval notation is from negative infinity to 3, including 3. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.